Hey there, it's Rumba Diving at the Legal Bay, welcoming you back to my channel. Let me start by wishing you a happy Easter holiday. It is a holy Monday, and I hope that you had a reflective and meaningful Easter holiday, of course, celebrating the ultimate sacrifice. Well, today I'm here to keep you up to speed as always. And if you own a company in Zimbabwe and you haven't re-registered it yet, this is an urgent message for you. The deadline to do this is the 20th of April, 2026. So we're counting down, and you have about 14 days within which to do this. And failure to do so could mean that your company will legally cease to exist. Now, let me ground this in the law. The re-registration requirement is being enforced through a statutory instrument under the Companies and the Companies and Other Business Entities Act, also known as the COBE Act. It's being enforced to ensure that all private limited companies registered before the 1st of March 2024, all public entities, public limited companies, and PBCs registered before the 1st of March 2024 should re-register. And it's to ensure that all companies on record are active, they're properly constituted, and that they're fully aligned with the current legal and registry requirements. So all companies are required to regularize and re-register their details within this prescribed timeframe, failing which they risk being struck off the register. And that prescribed deadline, as I mentioned before, is 20 April 2026. And the re-registration requires you to update your company details, to confirm the directors and shareholders, and to align your records with the registrar's database, and to ensure compliance with statutory requirements. Registration of your company is very, very important. It's not just an unnecessary process. It is important because it allows you to have coverage under the law, and also to have your business stand aside as a separate legal entity from you. So this means that your business is a person in itself. It's a legal persona, allowing it to contract on its own, allowing you to sue and be sued. And it also gives you good standing with financial institutions. You can enter into contracts, and it is also a very good way to maintain good corporate governance standards. And the Companies and Other Business Entities Act also puts forward a very, very important guideline, a line to be walked by all businesses. It requires that there's a certain matrix in the registration of your company. It also requires that your board, your board of directors, has the right skill set, that you are, having and appointing the right people with the right skills within your boards. And it is very important to do so. So if you do not re-register before the 20th of April, your company may be removed from the register. You could lose legal capacity to trade. You lose your limited liability protection. Contracts may become legally risky, and financial institutions may refuse outright to deal with you. In legal terms, no registration, no company. Many businesses overlook this, thinking it's routine administration, but it's not. It's compliance that directly affects your legal standing and your survival. So what you should do next is contact your lawyer or company secretary immediately. Engage with the Companies and Intellectual Property Office of Zimbabwe. Submit all required documentation before the 20th of April. Please avoid last-minute submissions. These delays could cost you. You never know what could be happening. It could be very, very overwhelmed in terms of everyone trying to do everything at the last minute. The system could be down. So do this in time. And this deadline is in no way a suggestion. It's a cut-off point. So protect your company and stay compliant. This is the Legal Bay, ensuring that you comply. If you miss this deadline, you risk your business. Stay compliant. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe for content like this to stay informed and ahead of the curve.